guys, Snow here, back with another video, and I'd just like to apologise for the delay on videos. It's just because I haven't got the time and my usual recorder is not working for some odd reason, so I'm just using Screencast for this period of time. But let's go through the update so let's go into this event. I believe there is a new bundle out, and it's the Glorious Scope Bundle. Create your own Glow and Getaway with the Glorious Scope Bundle. It comes with a goat, the sparkling new Royal Winter Palace, a pet goat, plus exclusive fancy goat accessory set and never before seen den items. This grandiloquent bundle is available to anyone who purchases any membership from www.amazon.com/join during the month. During the month of November. That's cool. And then here we have pet turkeys. Hold on to your gobbers. Pet turkeys have returned to Jamar, and just in time for autumn celebrations. These seasonal fowls make the perfect partners for baking pumpkin pies and crunching through fall leaves, and they're waiting to be adopted today. And I have already adopted a pet turkey, so I guess that's pretty cool. And then here we have Phantoms bit. Phantoms Forever. None of the Phantoms are still running strong, but it won't last forever, just all month long. Pick up items, pets, dens, and give your buddies a fright to keep parties going all the way through the night. So that is cool. Then we have costume parties. The night is upon us. Is your costume ready yet? Structure, spooky to assemble, show off the whole set. And here we have Trick or Treat. It is a perfect time of year to celebrate your friends. Visit all your buddies and play Trick or Treat den to den. Epic dens. Is your den too bright, a little too cheery? Check it out in Sco style with spooky den items dearie. Construct a vampire castle, mad scientist lab. This season there are plenty of items to get your den looking fab. Decorate a den that is not to be missed, and it just might show up on the epic dens list. And here we have Fight Me. Feeling lost lately? The sea unknown call to you. Jamar is in peril, and it's been left all to you. Adventures take you out to places far from home, but stand strong with your bodies and you won't be alone. Find an adventure on which you like to embark. Take a stand against the phantoms, push them back into the dark. This update, quick review, was really weird. A re-announcement of everything apart from Pet Turkeys was a re-announcement, but the only good thing was the Glorious Scope Bundle. That was the only good thing that was in this update, and as you can see, I have myself a little turkey, so that I guess is pretty cool. You should also go to the diamond shop, because you can get this harvest cloud that rains pumpkins, cabbages, onions, and then guess it's pretty cool these. But I think that's probably going to wrap it up for today's video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!